There is huge opportunity to grow an e-commerce business with AI right now. These AI tools like DALL-E and ChatGPT are insane. So in this video, I'm going to tell you what these tools are and how you can use them to start making money if you're starting an online business. Make money, money, make money, money, money. If you guys are new here, welcome to Learn with Shopify. My name is Michelle Bali. I'm a creative strategist, and I am also your host for today's video. Learn with Shopify is a channel where you get all the knowledge that you need to start, run, and grow an online business. So if that sounds like something that you need in your life, then hit subscribe. And if you like e-commerce, if you like me, if you like becoming financially free, surfing every day, drinking pina coladas with the umbrella because you have no boss to report to, then hit the like button. But without further ado, let's just get into the video. So you might have heard your friends talking about ChatGPT, or you might have seen it all over social media because it absolutely blew up. It launched recently in November 2022, and in a span of 5 days, it gained over 1 million users. That is absolutely unheard of. Okay, so exactly what is it? So if you go to chat.openai.com, it'll ask you to create a free account, and you'll be taken to a chat bot where you can ask it to perform tasks and answer questions for you. Now, what makes this tool useful is it operates on generative AI, meaning that it can generate new content rather than, let's just say, Google, which references existing content. You can ask it to write you a stand-up comedy routine about something oddly specific, I know because I've tried, or you can write a chocolate chip cookie recipe for your nana who is gluten-free, lactose intolerant, can't eat sugar, likes them soft. And the point is that you can get really granular. And it doesn't feel like you're talking to a robot, which is what makes this tool so valuable. It's going to spit out human-like information that claims to be legal, safe, and socially sensitive. Okay, so now let me show you some real-life examples of how you can actually use ChatGPT to help you grow your business and actually make money. So, first use case is to validate your business idea. Now, let's pretend that I wanted to start a Japanese denim brand. One of the first things that I need to do is to validate my business idea because I want to make sure that it is worth investing time and money into this idea.
Oh yeah, this is a good idea. This is a good idea.
So using ChatGPT can be a really great starting off point. Now, this is what I typed into ChatGPT. I said, is starting an e-commerce Japanese denim brand a good idea? And I asked it if there's a market for it in the United States, and if so, who would be my target audience? ChatGPT gave me some pretty solid business advice, like my product would appeal to people who are interested in high quality fashion and to consider targeting niche markets like sustainable fashion enthusiasts, but it wasn't able to tell me whether it was a good idea to start the business or not. But what it did do is it gave me actionable steps to find that out for myself, like, write a solid business plan, write a solid marketing strategy. And I could easily use ChatGPT to help me with those as well. ChatGPT can literally help you make money by guiding you down a profitable and viable business path with its sound advice. The idea of writing a product description might sound easy enough, but the product descriptions that appear on your e-commerce website have a very specific formula that needs to be utilized in order to be effective. Product descriptions are important because they can help you close a sale. And to nail that formula of product descriptions, they have to be informative, quick to read, and they have to convince people to buy. If you're not sure how to do that, ChatGPT can help you because it's a tool that's trained on millions of data points to write copy just like this. So I asked ChatGPT to write me a product description for my Japanese denim brand. And I said, please write me a product description including materials, quality, prestige, use cases, durability, and low environmental impact for my custom-made Japanese denim company. And here's what it spit out. It was really, really great because it was informative, it was persuasive, and it was enticing, but my only thing was that this was kind of long for a product description. Plus, in order to get more visitors to my site, I wanted to include some SEO keywords so that I can actually rank #1 on Google. ChatGPT can actually go in and make edits to its responses, so I was like, okay, thanks for that. Now please shorten it, make it bullet points, and also please include keywords that will help me rank in SEO. And I actually specified, I said, I want high volume keywords with over 100,000 searches per month. And I also specified that I wanted low competition within these keywords. Okay, so this is perfect. I can now easily drop these into my product descriptions on my product pages. Now, in the previous example, we were extracting data from ChatGPT to better understand whether we should run a business or not. But in this example, we're actually taking it to the next level because we're using ChatGPT to perform a task. This could save you hours of time in writing, especially if you have a dropshipping business with tons of products, and it can also save you money in hiring a copywriter. But most importantly, it can help make you money because writing product descriptions that are persuasive, informative, and enticing is a huge piece of the puzzle in increasing your conversion rate. Research shows that 68% of customers are willing to pay more for a product if the company has good customer service. ChatGPT can help you improve your customer service. One way is to get ChatGPT to come up with professional and friendly canned responses to frequently asked questions. So first, what you're gonna do is you're gonna get a list of the most commonly asked questions. Then you're gonna run them through ChatGPT. You're gonna copy the answers that you like, and you're gonna save them in a document just like this one here. ChatGPT cannot directly converse with your customers, so having these canned responses on hand in a document where you can just easily copy paste them, that's gonna save you a ton of time. ChatGPT can also help you manage sticky customer service issues. So take a look at this. I asked ChatGPT to help me answer an angry customer whose order was late, and it actually gave me a pretty thorough response, and it did it in a matter of seconds. 89% of customers say that speed of response is one of the most important parts of good customer service, so letting ChatGPT do this part for you is really gonna help you win those customers back. When it comes to examples of what ChatGPT can do, the list just goes on. It can help you write code for your website. It can help you write a blog article literally from start to finish. It can help you proofread your website copy, and it can even help you with manual data entry and just so much more. So let me know in the comment section, what is the most annoying part of your day as a business owner? Because I'm thinking that I can make a whole part 2 of this video where I take the work that you guys find tedious and you guys find annoying and show you how you can use ChatGPT to make your life easier. AI can make you infinitely more productive. But if you do want to find true e-commerce success, you're still going to need to be in the driver's seat. Which is why we created a free online course designed to help you find your winning product idea, build your online store, and create magnetic marketing content, and you're gonna get straight to selling in this course. Plus, you're gonna get guided support every step of the way. As a bonus, you'll even receive free checklists and worksheets to make launching and growing your e-commerce business as easy as possible. So you're gonna learn how to go from first day to first sale in this free training course. And if you're interested, click the link in the description box below to register now. Now, there's another tool that we haven't talked about, and it's called DALL-E. So if ChatGPT is a tool that you use to generate text, you're gonna wanna think of DALL-E as its sister that generates images. So DALL-E is also an AI-powered tool, but this one is gonna allow users to generate original images from text prompts. So I'm gonna show you how. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna visit labs.openai.com, and you'd sign up or you would log in here. So once you've logged in, you'll see a place for you to input text so that you can describe what kind of an image you want to create. So you might say something like, I want a drawing of a red lizard wearing a Christmas wreath on its head, and it's going to be riding a bicycle in the middle of New York, and that is literally the image that it's going to spit out. Now, looking at this for real, how can we actually use this tool for our business? Paying a photographer to take photos of your products can be easily one of the most costly parts of running an e-commerce business. But having the right photos is your strongest weapon in winning a customer over. So now you can use DALL-E to develop any imagery that goes on your website, whether that's on your homepage or your product images or your lifestyle shots, just like these here. So how do we actually get DALL-E to help us? First, you're gonna gather reference images that show the types of e-commerce photos that you wanna create, like this over here. Next, you're gonna need to provide a text prompt that describes the image that you want to create along with the reference images. Now, you probably are not going to get exactly what you're looking for on the first try, but that's okay because you can refine the image that it gives you just like this. Now, once you have the images that you want, you can use them to put them on your e-commerce platform to showcase your products and improve the overall look and feel of your store. Okay, so now that you've gotten a sense of how you can use AI to run your e-commerce store, I feel like you guys are ready to dive in and get started. Shopify, in my opinion, is the best and the easiest platform to build your e-commerce business on. It might be a little biased, but I'm not the only one who thinks so. Some of the biggest brands in the world use Shopify. And the best part is that they offer a free 3-day trial. It doesn't require a credit card, which is really nice. And you can just try some of the features out for yourself and just see if you like it. So if you are ready to start selling online, then definitely make sure to hit the link right over here and in the description box below so that you can get started and give it a go. So that is it, guys. Those are some very useful and actionable tips that you can use to make your business more efficient, scalable, and profitable. What do you think? If you want to know what I think obviously this tool is super useful, but if we're talking true, nothing in this world comes for free. So just be careful with how you use this tool. Make sure that you're protecting yourself, make sure that you're protecting your data, and of course, just be aware of the ethical implications that this very powerful tool comes with. What do you guys think? Are you guys for or against this type of technology? Let me know in the comment section below. And thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.